In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar on Substack in publication settings. Let's get started by opening Substack in your browser. Once it loads, head over to the left sidebar and click on Dashboard. Now, if you happen to manage more than one publication on Substack, you'll need to click the publication switcher located in the upper left corner of the dashboard. From the list that appears, click the publication you want to work with. After that, go back to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Next, we'll find the navigation bar settings. On the left sidebar inside Settings, click on Website. Scroll down on the page until you locate the navigation bar section. Here, you'll see the default navigation items already set up, such as Home, Archive, and About. On the right side of the navigation item list, take a moment to find the Visible column, which controls whether each item is displayed. Now let's add a new navigation item. Inside the navigation bar section, click the Add Item button. A small form will open up. Click into the title field first and type a short navigation label that describes the link you're adding. Once you've entered the title, move down and click into the URL field. In this field, type the destination link where you want visitors to be taken when they click this item. After both fields are filled in, click the Add button to save it. The new resources item should now appear in your navigation bar list. Next, let's adjust a default link's visibility. In the navigation bar list, find the Archive row. Click the visible toggle in the Archive row, and this will hide Archive from the navigation bar. To bring it back, simply click the same visible toggle one more time, and Archive will show again. Finally, let's check the updated navigation bar. Go up to the website section and copy the URL listed there. Open a new browser tab, paste that link into the address bar, and load your publication homepage. Once the page opens, look at the navigation bar near the top of the page. Confirm that the resources link now appears alongside the publication's other navigation links. And that's it. Your Substack publication's navigation bar now includes the new resources link. And you've also learned exactly where to show or hide the default navigation links directly from publication settings.